Hello, everybody out there in the land of make-believe. This is the holier than hell Reverend Bark Me Laughing Wolf, submortal, cheerleader to the apocalypse, and diabolical minion of good. And I'm in a bike shop. I'm in a bike shop of people. Oh, there's people here buying bikes. Sorry, guys. People here buying. Shh, shut the fuck up, man. Hey, my bike came in. I haven't paid for it yet, but they're going to let me look at it because they're as excited as I am, I think. Because they know what I'm going to do to it. Yeah, what they know what I'm going to have them do to it. This is AJ, by the way, the man.
What's up, dude?
The man. And they're actually choking on my tongue. Everybody here is the man, so we're going to bust this open. I guess this is an unboxing video, which I think are stupid. But in this case, I'm going to make an exception because holy cow, there's a bike in there. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's actually almost black. I had thought it was going to be a grayer color. Neat. So what all does this have on it, do you know?
Does it have on it?
Yeah.
Well, we got a good old Shimano drivetrain.
Uh-huh.
What do we got on here? Ooh, a Acera. I like to say Acera instead of Xera.
Xera.
The Honey Badger, because you know what? Honey Badgers don't give a fuck.
Oh, that's right. Is that a KC? What do they call those?
KMC chain.
KMC, it is, okay.
Yep, good brand.
No, that's what they recommend for electric bikes, too.
Oh, nice. Boom, there you go.
Wow.
Pretty snazzy reflectors, too.
Oh, hey. I'll have to learn a new shifter. Shifters confuse me. All right, this is awesome. Yay. Okay, that's the Haro Double Peak 29er. Double Peak Trail 29er. Double Peak Trail 29er. And then now we're going to fuck it up. We're going to fuck it up?
Yeah, fuck it up.
I'm going to fuck it up.
Yep.
All right, stay tuned. Ride safe, be seen, have fun.